spiel. And actually, just kidding, my name's Corbin, and I like playing with RCs. It's a Deadbolt, and this was expensive to buy. Right, Father?
I like to tell you that so you don't break it right away.
Oh my god!
Huh, Mom?
Okay, so we're gonna drive it.
Mom's little camera shy.
Right now. Okay, ready? We're gonna drive
You
it.
gonna test her out? Let's see. You got a little tire course set up. Alright.
And you gotta go like film when I go around and then back around on that.
Those LEDs are pretty cool on it.
They're not LEDs, they're just lights.
Yeah, LED lights. Silly.
They would be colorful if they were
They are colorful.
No, they're not.
Alright, they're not LEDs, guys. They're just lights.
Yeah, because
Corbin knows.
they're not LEDs. I never saw them turn to lights.
Alright.
Take a picture.
LED master.
I'm not an LED now. Okay. Go over.
Oh no, back up.
Yeah. Yeah, run low.
Nice. Back up a little. Turn your wheels. There you go. Nice.
So, as you know, they're not LEDs because they turn colorful. And I'd say, Dad, let's turn them any color we want. They're just normal lights. So, we're gonna get on and drive it a little bit more. And we're gonna set up the course a little bit more different. And we're gonna
Dang, nice one.
and then we're gonna do this. And this. Climb up. And make sure to give me a big thumbs up. And subscribe and make it red. And the bell, make it gray. So we're gonna keep driving it. And
Back up just a little bit and hit it.
like hit the whole throttle.
Yeah, but wait till you get up on the first set of tires.
Okay.
Okay, now go. Carnage to the pumpkin.
Okay. It's gonna be different because I'm gonna set up 2 tires like this.
Dang.
And then I'm gonna have to climb up.
That might be a little extreme. Oh no.
So I'm gonna just do one at a time this time, because I'm gonna put one in there and then put the other in. So I'm gonna do this and then climb up. Give me that there. So
Carnage.
as you know,
Alright.
my mom got in a crash. And we had to rent a car because her car was total.
Nice.
Took down one tire. Now that has to stay there.
Alright, tell them you're done for the day.
I'm done for the day. Bye,
Thanks for
guys.
watching.
Bye.
High five.
And